Welcome to this tutorial on how to split payments with Klarna Pay in 4. Klarna Pay in 4 is a payment method that allows you to split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments. In this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to make sure that the online store you are shopping at accepts Klarna Pay in 4. You can do this by looking for the Klarna logo at the checkout. If the store accepts Klarna, you can proceed with the payment process. Once you have added the items you want to purchase to your cart, proceed to the checkout. At the checkout, select Klarna as your payment method. You will then be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will be asked to enter your payment details. You can pay with a credit or debit card. Klarna accepts all major credit and debit cards. You will also be asked to confirm your payment schedule. With Klarna Pay in 4, you will pay 25% of the purchase amount at the time of purchase, and the remaining amount will be split into 3 interest-free payments. After you have completed the payment process, you will receive an email from Klarna with your payment schedule. The email will include the dates and amounts of your upcoming payments. You can also log in to your Klarna account to view your payment schedule and make payments. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees. You can make payments online or through the Klarna app. If you are having trouble making a payment, you can contact Klarna customer support for assistance. One of the benefits of using Klarna Pay in 4 is that it allows you to budget your purchases and avoid overspending. You can also use Klarna Pay in 4 to purchase items that you may not have been able to afford otherwise. In conclusion, splitting payments with Klarna Pay in 4 is a simple and convenient process. By following these steps, you can split your purchases into 4 interest-free payments and avoid overspending. Remember to make your payments on time and contact Klarna customer support if you have any issues. With Klarna Pay in 4, you can shop with confidence and take control of your finances.